All right, time for my pro tip, and this is a big one. Please don't brain dump in my Slack. I don't want to see messages over 8 lines that's just a stream of information and crap hitting the screen. If you need to write a long form one, put it in an email so there's a record, or keep your brain dump, keep it short, keep it on topic, organize an appointment, understand availability. No brain dumps. Pro tip number 2 is mute your channels, but always leave your mentions on. We all understand you're in 9, 10, 15, 30 channels. Some of you will have multiple Slack workspaces. People will understand if you're not seeing every message, but if you're ignoring mentions, well, that can become a real problem. So don't mute the mentions, always leave on the mentions for @channel and @here. If you're still getting problems with too many notifications, identify the culprits and try and understand what's going on. Are they brain dumping? Do we need to set up another process for them to communicate? What's going on there, and why are you getting so many notifications? Pro tip number 3 is, my screenshot's cut off a little bit there, sorry. Pro tip number 3 is if you are getting a lot of these notifications, this isn't a management platform, but you can use it to manage little tasks and little line items. As you can see there, I've got a message from Merrin saying, let me know when you've updated that website proposal. I've given it a question mark. It's an in progress status that I use. If I put a big check mark, a big cross, I'm not going to do it. If I put a big tick, that means it's done. And so both Merrin and I can cut down on the comms overhead.